Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Tesla Cybertruck in Rocket League. This iconic vehicle was originally available for a limited time through special in-game challenges and later in the item shop. Currently, it is not directly available for purchase. However, there are still potential avenues to add this distinctive battle car to your collection, and we will explore those easy methods right now. While the Cybertruck is not in the shop today, popular items often return for limited periods. Regularly check the in-game item shop, accessible from the main menu, for any announcements or rotations. If it reappears, the bundle usually contains the Cybertruck battle car, its exclusive cyber wheels, a unique engine audio, and several decals. Be prepared with enough credits, as it was previously priced around 2,700 credits. Another potential method involves cross-game ownership with Fortnite. The Tesla Cybertruck battle car, along with its decals and wheels, is eligible for this feature. If the Cybertruck bundle becomes available in the Fortnite item shop, purchasing it, there will automatically unlock it in your Rocket League garage. This offers a convenient way to acquire the vehicle, so keep an eye on Fortnite's offerings for this unique opportunity. Finally, for those seeking rare items, player-to-player trading is a viable option. The Rocket League community has dedicated trading platforms where players exchange items. You can look for others willing to trade their Cybertruck. Remember to use trusted trading sites and be patient, as finding the right trade might take some time. Always verify item values to ensure a fair exchange for this highly sought-after vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.